Good day, Sir Madam. I am Nadine Assistant, 28 years old. I have one child and high school graduate. About my experience, I am working in Lebanon as a domestic helper in 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of children.
Hello, Miss Nedeline. How are you today?
I'm fine, Madam.
What made you decide to work in abroad again?
To earn money and help my family, Sir Madam.
So what are the good qualities of being a good domestic helper?
I am a patient, hardworking, honestly, and responsible, Sir Madam.
So in Lebanon, what did you took care?
I took one child, Madam.
How old?
7 years old, Sir Madam.
Can you tell me how to take care of 7 years old child?
I take care of her to giving food, send and feeds them to school, and playing with her, and take a bath. I will love her.
So what is your last message or promise that you want to share to your employer?
Sir Madam, please hire me because I need this job to help my family, and I will promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Nedeline, and hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir Madam.